Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. It's a beautiful sunny day here in October. It's packed. Half of the coasters are down right now because the wasps are like swarming the tracks. So we're gonna go on a flat ride. It's called the Wirbelwind, which is like the whirlwind. We're here in Germantown, and we're just gonna give it a go. We may try to get on Alpengeist, but it's closed right now. But without any further ado, the swing ride. We've been on a similar one called the Zephyr at a couple of parks, so we're thinking that's going to be similar to this one. But join us for the ride. Stick with this afterwards. We'll let you know how this one compares to other swing rides we've been on the channel. Okay, let's go. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. They're out of double seats. To the left. To the left. Boy, look at the line now. Holy smokes. Yep, you're gonna go in this green machine and I'll go in the greenie right here behind you. Yeah, I guess. Little bitty basket seat. Oh lordy. I picked this a full sun spot too, so. Oh, well, we're in it now, in the green. All right, it's about showtime, but I'll just show you the logo over here. Construction was Franz Schwarzkopf. We're not sure if that is related to the roller coaster designer Anton Schwarzkopf. So if you know that, let us know in the comments. And up and away. Okay, Becky. Here we go. We got a full park today, so let's see how this compares to some of the other swing rides. The Wirbelwind. The Wirbelwind. Oh, it's a bouncer. It's a little bit of a bouncer. Okay, Becky. Looks like Becky's having a good time up there. You like a good swing ride? I'm gonna put the old arms out. I got my arms out like I'm flying. Give it a try. Give it a try, then you gotta balance. Woo! Then wobble side to side while you got your arms out. No. In the late 1800s, this has been the best they had, so enjoy it. Oh, that's a good sideways one right there. Woo! She's a mover. Please be sure to retrieve any articles you may have left behind. Thank you for riding. I think you got to go hands-free. That was a whole. Oh, pick the tootsies up if you're tall at the end. Oh wow, you get real close to everybody. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Oh, good grief. All right. It's got a squeeze pin on the both sides, and then up and out. There, I think I've been getting out. All right. No, I had a nice ride on it.
Where do we exit?
Exit, stage left. Stage left.
Oh, right here.
Yep. All right, the Wirbelwind. It was windy. It warbled.
Welcome
I had
to
a
the
nice ride.
Wirbelwind.
I
Please
did
walk
too.
to
It
the
definitely
swings
had
of
a
choice
nice
and board
speed to it.
carefully.
I like the little
Guests
dips and the
48
hops
inches
that
and
it
over
did.
should proceed
But yeah,
to any
it was a
available
nice ride.
single seat.
I don't know if this is
The double
faster
seat
than the
is
Zephyr
reserved
or
for
not.
guests
It's
between
very
40 and
similar.
48 inches.
If the
Only
park is
one
packed
guest
and the
is permitted
lines
per
are
single
long,
seat.
get on this.
Loose articles
It's
are
got a
not
little, maybe
permitted
like a
on this ride.
15-minute wait when the
Please
coasters
leave
are like an
them
hour and a half
unloaded.
right now.
Also,
We did
any
notice
loose
that they
footwear
shut
must
down
be
the coasters
secured
when it's hot
during the
because of
ride.
wasps. Never seen that anywhere else. 3 of their biggest rides are down right now, so the other lines right now on a busy park day is just slammed. So keep that in mind. So definitely check out those flat rides. We've got a little group in front of us here wanting to get over here close by, so we'll let them do that. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. That's the Wirbelwind. Bye, everybody.